Hello YouTubers, welcome back again. Today we are going to see how we can create tables. So I have already copied the code to creating a connection object and cursor object. Now let's execute the query to create a table. Cursor.execute, and in this method we have to pass MySQL query for creating tables. So first let's write create table and later table name is, in my case it's user, in your case it may be different. And next one is id, which is required for every table, so you have to mention as it is. Data type should be integer and it should be auto increment, and it should be primary key. So this is required column, and later as per your requirement. First i need uh, I need to collect name, so column name should be name. Data type should be vector, and its maximum length should be 100. Next one is contact. Data type should be vector, because in some case you can insert special character for country code, so that's why I'm taking character vector. And maximum length should be 20, because I think it's enough for collecting any contact numbers, right? So yeah, done. That's it for creating tables. Now let's just execute Python 3 create table dot py. Okay, not users, I'm just mentioning user info, because we are not collecting credentials, so it's just user info. Okay, let's execute the file. Now it is executed without any error. That means I think it should be created. Okay, let's check. To check, as we have checked in database, we can also run our MySQL queries. Cursor dot execute show tables, and we can use for loop, like for x in cursor to check our outputs, print x. Okay, let's run again. Now you can see we got two information. First one is users and second one is user info, because we have already created a table users, and in the same we have executed again a user info. And okay, now let's just check our columns, uh, whatever we created in our table. So let's check by running another query. Cursor dot execute, and in the same method show columns from uh, your table name. Now in my case table name is user info. Okay, now let's execute again. Now you can see we got three results. First one is id, second one is name, and third one is contact number. The id with integer value, name with varchar, limit is 100, and contact with varchar value and limit is 20. Okay, so that's it in the video, and please keep supporting and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much guys.